So from now this session, we will start making the AI assistant for you. So first of all, we need to install this package named PyTTSX3 on our system. So for that, we need to use a pip command to install that on our system. So for that, I will use pip. So I will open my terminal and type pip install PyTTSX3 and it will install the PyTTSX3 module on my system. So it is already installed on my system and it will help us to convert the text to voice from our assistant. So I have already installed on my system and you can use this command to install it on your system as well. So first of all, we will import this library. So I will type import PyTTSX3 and I will add a comment here. So you can use this command to install it on the system. And after that, we will first of all we will create a variable named engine. So I will type engine equals to PyTTSX3 dot init. So it will call the initial function of the PyTTSX3 module, and in that there is a so we will type engine.say. So it is a predefined function. So it will convert the text inside this say function into speech. So first of all, we will I will type here hello world. And if I will save this and add another line which is engine dot run await, so it will wait till it is finished speaking. So I will save this file, and if I will try to run this, so it should say hello world. Hello world. So as you guys can see, it is able to speak whatever we pass here. So let me just try to change the text from here. So we will add this is Jarvis, and if I will save it and run it, so it should tell us this is Jarvis. This is Jarvis. So as you guys can see, we are successfully able to get text to speech using the PyTTSX3 module up and running. So in the next video, we will try to create a function using which we will call this text to speech thing into a program. So let's move to the next session of this video. So now in the previous video, as you have seen, we are successfully able to convert the text to speech. So let me just try to run this thing and show you. This is Jarvis. So as you can see, it is able to speak this text. So now what we'll do is we will create an function. Using that function, we will try to call this dot say engine dot say. So let me just try to create a function that we will name as speak, and in that function we will pass a variable which we will call it as audio. So we will pass it whatever we want to convert to audio. So we will pass that thing in this function. So after that, I will just cut these two lines from here and just paste it in the function, and after that I will remove this part from the engine.say and pass the audio here, and after that we can call this function and it should speak whatever we pass in that speak function. So let me just try to call that function and pass some string in it. So we will pass this is Jarvis AI assistant. Okay, so let me just try to save it and let's just try to run it. So it should speak this text inside this speak function. So let me just try to save it and run it.
This is Jarvis AI Assistant.
So as you can see, it is able to speak with this speak function. So in the next videos, we are going to try to get the date and time using the pre-built function in Python, which is date time module. So let's move to the next session of this course.